If you're working full time but you still can't find that extra time to start a side hustle, then this video is for you. If you're tired, busy and stuck thinking there's no room left in your day, this is how you can build a new income on the side without actually burning out. Pay attention because I'll give you a step-by-step action plan that you can use right away. So before we get started, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me really energised to bring you more videos. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with step number 1, which is to build a 1-hour daily AI-powered side hustle system. If you only have limited time available after your working job, you can start by just committing to a simple fixed 60-minute or 90-minute session each day, so you can build some consistency without actually burning out. Now, if you want some structure, you can actually start by just blocking this time in Google Calendar. So you can treat it like an important meeting and help you avoid skipping it altogether. Now, if you struggle with knowing what to actually do, here is something that you can follow. You could just follow a simple breakdown of say 10 minutes of planning, 40 minutes of focused work, and 10 minutes of reviewing so you can stay productive in every session that you do. So if you do find it a bit hard to stay focused, you can just use Forest or a Pomodoro timer. These are going to be very helpful. So you can actually reduce distractions and stay locked in and focused. Now, if you want to get better results from this scenario, you can just prepare your tasks the night before so you can instantly start without wasting any energy thinking. Now, if you follow this system on a daily basis, you're likely going to find it a bit easier to actually stay consistent and actually make some real progress. Now, if you don't know what side hustles to actually start, you can begin by validating your ideas using some real-time data. So you can actually avoid wasting time on doing something that probably won't sell. Now, if you want a simple method to actually get started doing this, you can just search for some paid services on websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, or even peopleperhour.com. These are freelancing websites where people actually pay for paid services. So you can actually see what people are already actively paying for right now. If you would like a product-based idea, you can actually explore Etsy. So you can actually find those trending digital products like planners or templates or ebooks or even printables. And if you find some listings with high reviews, you can actually use that as proof of demand. So you can actually just model something very similar. So you need to find an existing demand first. Then you can actually create an idea or a business based on an existing demand. Now, if you are a bit unsure what to actually pick, you can just start with skills that you may already use at work. So you can actually move a bit faster without learning anything new from scratch. Now, if you do validate your ideas first, this is going to help you to avoid one of the biggest mistakes a lot of beginners tend to make. If you want to speed up your work, you can use different AI tools to actually complete tasks faster so that you can get more done in less time. Now, if you are creating content, for example, or services, you can actually use ChatGPT or even Gemini. This is going to help you to generate those ideas, write those first drafts, or even just outline simple offers very quickly. Now, if you want to design some products from scratch, you can actually use Canva and you can use the free version to do this. This is going to help you to create those professional visuals and graphics without needing any design skills. You can just use their pre-built templates and edit them and customize them for whatever products you are creating. Now, if you are building listings or even product descriptions, you can use AI to generate some SEO friendly text. This is search engine optimization, so that you can attract more customers organically through search. Now, if you want automation with AI, you can even use Zapier. So you can actually connect different apps together and reduce repetitive work. This is going to save you a lot of time. Now, if you use AI in the right way, you're likely going to find it much easier to produce high quality work, even with very limited time. So if you want to start actually making some extra income, you could just focus your hour on income generating actions and activities so that you can avoid getting stuck learning forever. If you are offering a service, for example, you could just create one clear offer and publish it on a platform so that you can start getting some visibility very quickly. Now, if you want clients a bit faster, you could just send a few targeted friendly messages daily on websites like LinkedIn or even Facebook groups, so that you can actually connect with people who actually may need your service. Now, if you don't know what to actually say, you can just keep your message very simple by just explaining the problem that you actually solve and the results and the outcomes that you actually provide for anyone that needs that help. So you can actually increase the replies in the process. Now, if you are selling products, for example, you can just upload one item per session so that you can build a simple catalog very steadily. Now, if you just focus on taking action over being perfect, you're likely going to see results a bit faster as well. If you find that you do struggle with being consistent, you can actually track your progress so you can actually stay accountable and improve your results over time. If you want a simple system, you can actually log your daily tasks into Google Sheets so you can actually see what you've completed and actually what has worked and what doesn't work so well. Now, if you find that certain tasks bring better results, you could just double down on those tasks and do more of them, so that then you can actually grow faster in the process. If you don't see too much progress, you just need to adjust your approach instead of quitting so that you can actually keep improving. If you measure your time and your output, this will help you to stay more focused on what actually matters and moves the needle. If you track things on a consistent basis, you're likely going to find it a bit easier to also stay motivated. If you are ready to grow your side hustle, you can gradually scale your system so you can actually increase your income without overwhelming yourself. If you want more efficiency in your system, you can automate those small tasks using AI tools so that you can free up time for the more high value work and activities. If you have some income already coming in, you could just reinvest it into better AI tools or even outsource some of your tasks so that you can grow a bit faster. If you find that repetitive tasks are slowing you down, you can actually create simple templates or workflows with AI tools. This is going to help you save time every day. If you stay consistent with this 1 hour system, you can turn a very small daily habit into a reliable income stream over time. Let's now move on to step number 2, which is to use the offer first and build later model to start earning a bit faster. If you want to start a side hustle fairly quickly, you can actually begin by selling a simple service before building a full business, so you can avoid wasting time on ideas that don't make money. Now, if you are stuck planning logos or building websites or doing branding or anything similar to that, you can just skip that and create one clear offer so you can actually test the market demand right away. Now, if you want a very simple and effective approach, you can actually write a very basic service like, I will create 10 social media posts using AI tools. So there's a simple service that you can model, and you can actually start with something very simple and very valuable to clients or businesses that you might work with. Now, if you don't know where to post this kind of service, you can actually just use freelancing platforms like Fiverr.com or peopleperhour.com or even Upwork.com. So you can actually reach those buyers who are already searching for this kind of help. Now, if you start with a very clear offer instead of an idea, you're likely going to find it a bit easier to make your first sale. Now, if you do struggle to create your first offer, then please do not worry. You can just use AI tools to help you speed up the process, so you can actually build something very useful and very helpful in just a few minutes. So let me walk you through it. You can actually open up ChatGPT and ask it to generate you some service ideas based on your current skills, and it will give you a whole load of options that you can work with. So then you can just find some quick things to work with. Now, if you want to improve your current offer, you could just ask the AI to rewrite your descriptions so that you can make them cleaner, clearer, more persuasive and more outcome and results focused. Now, if you are a bit unsure about what your customers really want, you could just copy the top performing listings and improve them so you can actually avoid starting completely from zero. Now, if you use AI to actually refine your idea, this will help you to create something that people actually want to pay for. Now, if you want to deliver your service a bit faster, which is something that you want to do, you can actually combine simple AI tools so you can actually complete your work in less time and actually increase your hourly earnings as well. So if you are creating designs and visuals, for example, you can just use Canva with the free version. So you can actually build that professional content without having any advanced skills. Now, if you want to automate those really annoying repetitive tasks that take up a lot of time, you can use a tool like Zapier to actually connect different apps together, and this is going to free up some time for you. Now, if you are writing content, for example, you can just use AI to generate the first drafts and then just edit them with your own touch to make them more humanized. so that you can actually improve the quality very quickly. Now, if you actually do use the right AI tools, you're likely going to find it a bit easier to complete more work in less time as well. If you don't know how to get your first customer, you can just start with some direct outreach. So you can actually create some opportunities for yourself instead of waiting for them to come to you. Now, if you want to go out and find those clients, you can just search on Facebook groups and on LinkedIn for those small businesses out there, so you can actually identify the people who really need your kind of help. So if you do find a business with some very weak social media content, you could just send them a short message offering your service so that you can actually provide some value to them very quickly. Now, if you don't know what to actually say, you want to just keep it very simple by pointing out the problems that they've got and their pain points, and just offering a very clear solution so that you can increase your chances of getting a reply. So just keep it very simple. Now, if you take action and do this on a daily basis, you're likely going to find it a bit easier to land your first paying client. If you struggle with the confidence and things like that, you can just build some proof fairly quickly. You can actually make your offer much more credible as well. If you don't have too much experience, then you can just create some sample work and some mock projects using AI tools. So you can actually just show potential clients what you can actually do with AI. Now, if you want some examples, you can just design some mock posts or some written sample content using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. So you can actually demonstrate your skills very quickly. If you are a bit unsure where to actually store your work, you can actually use Google Drive or even a simple portfolio website, so you can actually share it with your clients. If you show some clear examples of what you can actually do, this will help to build that trust a bit faster as well. Now, if you are ready to grow, you can actually refine your offer based on the feedback that you get, so that you can actually improve the results and increase your income at the same time. Now, if you do notice that clients asking for the same thing, you could just turn this into a package so that you can actually charge a bit more as well. Now, if you want to scale, you can actually standardize your process so that you can complete tasks a bit faster and take on a few more clients. If you just make small improvements each week, you're likely going to see some steady growth without needing more time. Now, if you just follow this offer first and build later strategy, you can actually turn a very simple idea into some solid income without working full time. Let's now move on to step number 3, which is to build a content to income funnel using AI and free platforms. If you want to start a side hustle without spending too much money up front, you can actually build a simple content to income funnel so you can attract people and turn that attention into an income. Now, if you are unsure what this actually means, you could just start by creating short form video content that solves a problem or takes away a pain point, so that you can actually bring in viewers who actually need some help. Now, if you want a practical example, you could just post tips and advice about budgeting or fitness or even small business ideas, so you can target a very specific audience. Now, if you don't know where to actually post, you could just use platforms like TikTok or Instagram or even YouTube Shorts, so you can actually reach people very quickly. Now, if you do stay consistent with the content posting with your short form content, you're likely going to build some attention that you can actually turn into a new income. Now, if you do find that you struggle with creating content on a daily basis, you can actually use AI tools to generate the ideas and the scripts, so you can actually save time and stay more consistent. So let me walk you through it. You can actually just use ChatGPT and ask it for say 10 to 20 video ideas in your niche, so you can actually just plan some content in advance. If you want to turn simple ideas into powerful, engaging videos, you can actually just write short scripts using AI, so that you can actually avoid staring at a blank page. Now, if you are a bit unsure how to structure your videos to get the maximum engagement, you can actually just follow a simple hook, value and call to action format, so that you can actually keep your viewers very engaged. Now, if you just batch your content as well, you're likely going to find it a bit easier to stay more consistent even with having a full-time job. So if you want to create videos a bit faster, you can actually use simple tools, so you can actually produce content without needing any complex editing skills. If you want a very easy option to get started with, you can use CapCut. So you can actually just edit videos very quickly with their pre-built templates, and you can actually do all this for free. Now, if you don't want to show your face and you want to remain completely faceless, you can actually create faceless videos using AI tools or stock video clips and different text. So you can actually still grow an audience with faceless content. Now, if you want good visuals, you can use Canva, and you can actually create some thumbnails and graphics very easily with their pre-built templates. Now, if you keep your process very simple, this will help you to stay more consistent without feeling very overwhelmed. Now, if you don't know how to make money from your content, you can actually connect your videos to a simple offer like an affiliate offer, so you can actually turn those views into a new income. Now, if you would like a beginner option, you can actually promote digital products from, say, a website or a marketplace like Gumroad, so you can actually earn from each sale. If you prefer to do affiliate marketing, you can actually share affiliate links from different platforms like Digistore24 or Share a Sale or ClickBank or even Amazon Associates, so that you can actually earn a commission when people actually buy through your unique affiliate link. Now, if you want to actually sell your own products or services, you can actually create a simple digital product or a template or a planner or even a checklist, any kind of simple digital product that you can just offer some real value directly to a specific audience. So if you actually include a very clear call to action, you're likely going to convert more viewers who watch your short form content into paying buyers. Now, if you struggle with getting some views, you want to focus on solving specific problems and taking away pain points so you can actually attract the right type of audience for your particular product. Now, if you want better reach, you need to create content around the common questions and those pain points so that you can appear in the search results as well. And you also need to optimize your videos for SEO, which is search engine optimization, so they reach the right people and get more reach. Now, if you actually use trending sounds or different formats for your short form videos, you can also increase the visibility as well. This is going to help you to grow a bit faster. Now, if you are a bit unsure what kind of works, you need to analyze popular creators in your niche and see what they're doing and then get some ideas from that. So you can actually just learn from those proven strategies, but you don't want to copy them. You just want to model what they're doing and do your own version of what they're doing. And this way you're going to get some similar results. Now, if you stay consistent with very useful content that helps your audience solve a particular problem, this will help you to build that trust and help you to grow your audience at the same time. Now, if you do find it fairly hard to stay organized, then don't be concerned. You can actually use simple systems with AI tools. This is going to help you manage your content and your ideas more effectively. So if you want a clean workflow, you can actually use Notion, and then you can actually plan, track and organize all of your content in one place with Notion. If you want to track the performance a bit more closely, you can actually review analytics on each platform that you use, so you can actually see what content works and which ones don't work so well. And if you just adjust based on the data that you've got, you're likely going to see better results over time. Now, if you stay organized with this approach, this is going to help you to stay more consistent without feeling too overwhelmed. Now, if you are ready to scale your side hustle, you can actually improve your sales funnel so that you can increase income without creating more content at the same time. So if you want better conversions from your content and your funnel, you can actually just optimize your profile and your links so that you can actually just guide viewers to your offer. Now, if you want to automate with AI, you can use tools like Zapier to connect different apps together. This is going to help you connect your systems and save you some more time. Now, if you just refine your process step by step, you're likely going to turn some very simple content in the form of short form videos or similar things to that into a reliable income stream. Well, that's it for this one. Now, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building your own online business and creating new income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the top pinned comment, where you can find some free guides and free resources to help you get started right away with building your new digital business and new income. These free resources will teach you step by step how to actually set up and create your own digital business and new online income streams as well. So I know these free resources will be very helpful for you. So don't wait, take action today. You can go and click the link below in the description and the top pinned comment and start your journey right now. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. It really does energize me to create more videos for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.